Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing my iPhone unboxing. I did get the iPhone 12. As you guys know, last year I unboxed my iPhone XS Max and I'm going to end up switching it off for this one, which I'm super excited about. So yeah, I'm so excited to open this. Today's actually Monday and I got it since like Friday. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below to my channel. And yeah, let's just get on with this unboxing. I'm so excited to open it. So the first thing that I see right off the bat is actually the thinness of the box. Obviously it's not compared to like the other boxes, which I'm actually just gonna bring it so you guys can see it. It was the box for my iPhone 8 Plus. I keep all my boxes. Do any of you guys do that? I don't know why, but I like to keep all of them. So I have this one and then I'm just gonna show you guys for comparison. So it's literally like half the size of it. So yeah, as you guys know, the new iPhone doesn't come with the charging box anymore. So I guess just for like environmental reasons and everything like that, they decided not to include it this year. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take this off. And it's so easy to, that was so easy to take off. So here we have it. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open it. The box is so nice. So I ended up getting the 12 Pro and I got it in the color graphite, 256 gigs. So guys, I don't know, I was so stuck between this one and then the Pacific blue color, but I decided to go with this one just because, I don't know, something just told me to just get this one, even though I really like the blue, and blue is actually my favorite color, which would have made sense if I would have gotten it, but I ended up not getting it. I got the graphite, and when I received it and I started looking at videos, I was kind of regretting it. But you know what, I'm just gonna keep this one and we're just gonna roll with it. And either way, I always have a case on my phone and I always switch out the cases, so I guess it's not really a big deal. But this one that I have is actually the rose gold. So if you guys saw my video from last year unboxing this, I'll link it down below as well. So I'm always wearing a case on it regardless. I have so many different cases for this phone. Let's start taking it out of here. And oh my god guys, it's so nice. It's so beautiful. Guys, this color is so nice. Okay, no, I'm glad I went with this color. This color is really it. Oh my god, it looks like, I don't know, it's like a silver, but it kind of looks like, it has like maybe like a hint of green, or maybe it's just me. Oh my god, it looks so sleek and nice. Guys, this is everything. This phone is literally so beautiful. The back of it feels so soft. So I'm just gonna take it out of here. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open it. Okay, so oh my god, wow, this is so different. So usually they never include like this. It's always like the little plastic film thing, but here it's this little like paper thing. So here it just kind of shows you like the power button, and then it shows you like the little to make it silent, and then the volume controls. So guys, this phone feels so nice in my hand. I'm so glad I went with the smaller size because I'm so tired of having like a big phone, like a version, and I love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Guys, it looks so beautiful. Look at this. Wow, this is stunning. Look at this. It's like this really nice silver over here. And oh my god, it's literally so beautiful. Okay guys, this design is literally everything. It just reminds me of like the old iPhones, how they used to look, and I love it so much. Oh my god, I can just imagine myself already. And I wish I can wear this with no case, but obviously I did already get a case for it, and luckily I did get a clear case for it, so it's gonna look so nice in here. I can't wait. So I think I'm just gonna take this off. And it's off. Oh my god guys, the screen looks so beautiful. This phone is so sleek. Look how thin it is. I'm gonna compare it to my other iPhone, and it's just, oh my god guys, look at the sleekness of this phone. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, this phone feels so much nicer in my hand as opposed to this one, even though I love this phone so much. It just feels so much nicer. And I can't wait. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly turn it on. So while this turns on, I'm just gonna show you guys what's in the box. So we just have this little instructions thing that the iPhone always brings. So it's actually like, obviously since the box is different, it's like a square size now. Before it was kind of like a little different. It was a different size in this. And then we just have the charger over here. So this actually this charger, which something I kind of don't like, is USB-C, so it's not gonna work with just the normal iPhone box. You are gonna have to purchase like the other box that works for this type of cable, because it doesn't have the same cable as the iPhone. So this is what this one looks like. And so this, obviously this won't be able to charge on a regular charging cube. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna invest in the cube or I'm gonna get the MagSafe thing, which is like the wireless charging. So I'm not sure yet, but I definitely gonna get like a cube or something, because I heard that it just works better to use a cube, the larger cube that's meant for the iPhone, rather than just the regular cube. So yeah, I'm gonna put English, United States, and then I'm just gonna start setting it up manually. So luckily I do have iCloud, so all my information is just gonna sync into here, which is great. Oh my god, guys, the feel of this on my hands is like so weird. I'm so used to like this phone and like the shape of it and everything. Guys, I can't, I'm so obsessed with this color. I'm so glad that I got this one. I feel that the blue one is also beautiful, but this one is just literally everything. I feel like this was the perfect one for me. And yeah, it's just gonna go with everything so nicely. I'm just gonna do the Face ID now, so I'm just gonna set it up. This setup is actually a lot different than the other one as well. So continue. Guys, so my phone, I was on the phone with my mom and it just randomly hung up because I started setting up this one. And now it's gonna be, oh my god. Okay guys, so now that I set this one up, since I set it up with my carrier, my phone just stopped working. Like I have like no signal now. Oh my god, because now my signal is over here. So I'm just gonna do this. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna finish setting up my phone. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys are getting the new iPhone, or maybe planning on getting it. Make sure you guys let me know down in the comments. As you guys can see, I'm obsessed with this phone. It's so beautiful and I can't wait to see like the quality of it. If you guys want, I can definitely show you guys pictures and videos and stuff in the future. I can make a video just dedicated to that, pictures and videos, and see the difference. So yeah, definitely let me know that in the comments. I'll leave the info about the phone in case you guys want to get it and everything. I'll leave a link down below. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below to my channel. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!